Okay, then we got this situation right here.
It's cute.
It's cute. It's cute. One, two, three. I like that.
What's my favorite color? I don't have one, but I think this one's the one for sure.
1, 2. Love it. Perfect. Make sure I'm recording. And play with your whatchamacallit like you kinda was with both of them. Yeah, perfect. And turn towards me with it. Yeah, perfect. All right, let me show you these real quick.
Ooh.
Oh,
damn.
Oh, do you see the lighting right here? Come on now.
I like that.
Come on. She don't know who she got right here. Okay.
This one,
Okay, junto. T
to
the
the
M
to the M
to the I.
to the DD.
No.
Oh.
No, to the T to the M to the I D D.
T to the M to the I to the
No, T to the M to the I D D.
Oh, okay.
All right.
T to the M to the I
D D. Yeah. So this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna bachata.
Oh.
All right. T to the M to the I. Oh, you like that right there? Oh, that's how you got. That's how you got D D.
Do it again.
Oh, we T to the M to the I D D.
Okay.
That was a good impromptu, right?
Yeah. I guess.
3. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. All right, I want you to cross your legs and do that same thing and turn your body towards me. And I want you to kind of like, yeah, so kind of like play with your shirt too. Since you got the things on, so it's gonna be pasties. Perfect. Perfect. Love it, love it. Okay. Perfect. Can you let that shirt kind of drape down?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Yeah. 1, 2. Perfect. All right. Yeah, the 1, the 2, the 3. All right, now how do you feel if you like drape it down over both shoulders, but turn your back to us? Yeah. And I just want you to look over your shoulder. Yeah, like right there, perfect. 1, 2, beautiful. Let me look and see how that's looking. Okay. Perfect. Can you do anything with your right hand on your ponytail, trying to like bring it up to your hair? Yeah, perfect. All right. Hands off up at that light. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, put your hands up, play with your hair. Perfect. Okay. Kind of like that. Yeah, perfect. 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 Love it. Yes. All that, Natalia. That's what we talking about. We got that Guatemala for nothing, huh? All right, let's see what we got. Perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. All right, now you could freelance. Kick your legs out just a little bit more. Yeah, and just give me that. You could crouch one up right there. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Let's go. 1, 2. Beautiful. Yeah, she killing it, right? She is killing it. Absolutely killing it. That's why it's hard. It's hard to take a bad shot. All right, 1, 2. Perfect. Can you put both hands back and kind of like arch in a little bit? Perfect. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay. Come back and like, yeah, and bring that one towards me. Yeah, perfect. Love it. Perfect, yes. I love it. And kind of lean in, like almost like you're about to come towards me. Perfect, yes. Okay.